Have you ever wondered what powers some of the fastest and most scalable web applications today? Meet NodeJS, an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime that lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. Built on the Google Chrome V8 engine, NodeJS is designed for speed and efficiency, making it perfect for handling high-performance applications. So, what makes NodeJS so powerful? First, it's asynchronous and event-driven, meaning it can handle multiple requests at the same time, without waiting for one to finish before starting another. It also runs on a single threaded event loop, which allows it to efficiently manage thousands of connections at once. And thanks to the V8 engine, NodeJS executes JavaScript at lightning speed. Plus, it comes with NPM, the Node Package Manager, giving developers access to millions of pre-built libraries. So where is Node.js used? Everywhere, from web applications and APIs to real-time chat apps, microservices, and even IoT applications. Whether you're building a small project or a large-scale application, Node.js is a game changer. Want to learn more? Make sure you subscribe because soon I'm going to upload a full 15 hours free course on Node.js.